ताका 2 म्हयने हिंगा गोंयांत CEO आसूंक नाशिल्लो जेन्ना आमी देशभर ही वोट चोरीचो जेन्ना हो मुवमेंट जालो ते वोट चोरीचो मुवमेंट जालो तेन्ना आमी डिक्लेअर केलें की वी वूड गो टू द CEO's ऑफिस and immediately when we declared that night the Election Commission of India appointed Sanjay Goyal as the CEO. This shows that basically for 2 months why was the CEO not appointed? Goyat ata itle election is gone into election mode. In the sense there is ZB election, there is municipal election, there are elections of the MLAs, there are panchayat election, but still CEO was absent for 2 months. So I condemn this act. And म्हाका दिसता these offices should be neutral. न्यूट्रलिटीचो जेन्ना प्रश्न येता 100% connivance of the election commission with the BJP government. It has become one of their department and they should not operate under the instructions of the Shaka. This is what is the people fear because there are several cases in the state of Goa as well. We welcome the vote purity, but हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता अंडर द नेम ऑफ प्युरिटी म्हाका दिसता ट्रान्सपेरन्सी आसपाक जाय आनी गोंया स्टेटांतूय ट्रान्सपेरन्सी आसपाक जाय.